So here we're asked to state the domain and range of this function in interval notation and then write the end behavior. So first thing I'm going to do is find where the asymptotes are at. That's going to be told by the h and the k value. So my vertical asymptote is going to be changed from the y-axis, and it's going to be shifted 7 units to the left. So it's when x is equal to -7, because if I were to plug in -7 into here, I would get 0 in the denominator, which we cannot have. So there is our vertical asymptote. The horizontal asymptote is when we are moving it from the x-axis. It is moving 9 units up. So the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 9. So again, if we think about that in terms of our graph, let's say that we have that there, our graph is something like this. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's perfect. So in this case here, our asymptote's there and our a value is positive. So what that means is that my graph is going to look something like this and something like this. And the reason that the sketch kind of helps us is it helps us kind of navigate the end behavior. So in this one here, the domain and the range, so for the x values, it is everything from -infinity all the way up to -7, because it is going from -infinity and it goes closer and closer and closer to -7, but never touches it. Then it goes from -7 way up here all the way to +infinity, because it goes on forever to the right. So there is our domain. Our range here is talking about the y value. So it goes from -infinity, goes all the way up to 9, but never touches it. So -infinity, and it goes up to 9, but never touches it, and then goes on forever to the left. And then in this case here, it goes from 9 all the way up to infinity. So we use this little u to represent union, because we're using both of these. And now my domain and range are all done. My end behavior is always pointing in transformation form to the horizontal asymptote. So in this case here, if you notice, as x goes towards, let me just write this down, as x goes towards -infinity, so as we go towards -infinity, it's getting closer and closer and closer to 9. As x goes towards +infinity, y is going closer and closer and closer and closer to 9.